Hello. So I'm going to share with you just a few things that you're going to learn in this course. I've taught over 10,000 women how to negotiate. And so what I'm doing is giving you the cheat sheet, the nitty gritty of what you need to learn. So in 2 hours from now, if you have a negotiation, you can do it with confidence. So you're going to learn not only what to say, but you're going to learn how to say it because that matters when you go into a negotiation. So, what we walk through is we're going to teach you how to look at the details, anticipate challenges, think about your walkaway point, talk through the negotiation like it's a conversation, not a battle. And then the most important part is I'm going to teach you how to evaluate the options so that at the end of the negotiation, you can decide what's best for you. So, in this 2 hour course, what I'm going to do is I'm sharing scripts with you. So you can look at what other people have said, some of the best practices, and then put in your own vocabulary so that it sounds like you because that's how you're going to show up confident. Now, if you've ever been at work and someone's giving you a compliment and you've said, "Oh, you don't have to thank me, no big deal." You need to enroll in this course because that's one of the things that's going to hold you back in any negotiation. I'm going to teach you how to own the value